Hello everyone, welcome to Hobby Kit channel. In this project, I am going to control my TV remote anywhere from the world. Yes, you have heard right. I will operate my TV remote by using the Blink platform from anywhere in the world. So let's get started. In order to make our project, I am going to explain the circuit diagram in circuitio.in website. I will be giving the link in the description. Open the app and search for IR receiver and add it to the circuit, and also select IR LED to your circuit. Yes, our schematic is ready. Make the connections as per the circuit diagram, and there is a small change that you need to connect this yellow wire to D4 of the node MCU. That's it, as we have coded for the D4. So let's jump to the coding. First, include libraries and go for manage libraries and search the library called IR ESP8266 IR remote ESP8266 IR remote ESP8266. Yes, download this IR remote ESP8266 library, and now go to files, move to examples and search IR remote ESP8266 and go for dump v3 IR remote dump v2 and quickly upload the code. You need not to change anything in the code. Select the proper port in the tool. Every button in the remote, there will be a particular code assigned to that button, and as soon as he or she clicks that button, the IR transmitter transmit the data to the IR receiver, and the IR receiver will decode the signal. So first we will decode the signal coming from the remote on which you want to operate. For that, open your serial monitor and press the button you want to operate in the IR receiver, nearer to the IR receiver, and then note down this code into the notepad. Similarly, note down for how many buttons you want to use in the remote. I am using this just 4 buttons for volume up, volume down, channel up and channel down. I have noted in the notepad, and then open this code. I have written this code. Yes, here we have to change the auth token and the Wi-Fi credentials, and I am sending the virtual pin V1 data for volume up, and the code for volume up is this one in my case, and here the code is sent. As soon as the virtual pin V1, V2, V3 is 0, then the IR receiver will send the data, and for channel down also, and for channel down the code is this one, and now I am replacing the code. Yes, As soon as the V4 is 0, then the IR will send the code to the receiver. Upload this code into the Node MCU. Here I have initiated the Node MCU library and the Blink libraries. These are the two libraries for IR remote, and I have connected to the pin 4, that is D2 in the Node MCU. D2 is connected, and then I have declared IR as IR send, and then I have declared the Wi-Fi credentials, and in virtual pin V1 is 0, then the IR send the data, this one, to the receiver. Here the receiver is the set-top box, as I am using the set-top box remote. Similarly, for volume down, up and channel up and down, I have used the virtual pins. And in void setup, I have just begun the Blink and Wi-Fi of the Node MCU. And in the loop session, I am keeping the blink.run to handle the client continuously. Now open the Blink app and click on new project and name the project. I am naming as IR remote, and select the Node MCU board and click on create. An auth token is successfully sent to your email. The button from the widgets. As we are using 4, I have selected the 4 buttons, and I have named as volume up and pin as virtual pin V1, and from 1 to 0 I have changed, and named as volume up and volume up. That's it. Make it for the rest of the 3 buttons. Make sure the pins are V1, V2, V3 and V4. Now I will select a widget called image gallery, and this is the URL for my logo. Yeah, that's it. Press the channel down button. The channel should go back. Yeah, and when channel press up, it is changing. Yeah, actually a bit delay in the communication because we have used the virtual pins in the Blink. The virtual pin communicates a bit delay, which is actually I have commented in the Blink community to sort out this problem, but it still works. You can use the remote anywhere from the world. Now I press the channel 2 times down and the channel decreased to 2 times. Do subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Subscribe.